Mother Nature's warm embrace. Come take a little walk with me to calm your heart, quiet the mind, and lift your spirituality. It's all right to step away from the chaos of society. Put a pause on your interactions with a troubled humanity. I'd like to share with you life as I know it, after the long road brought me down to my knees, after God heard my prayers and answered them, when first I said thank you, and then asked with my pleas. With every leafy sound of the earth beneath our boots, we are reminded God is below us, as well as within and above. And the message we receive from all of this natural beauty is that the world we live in is cavernous with hideaways of pure golden love. When the sun reaches deep down into every corner of our hearts, and the caress of fresh air upon the collective face, we are called upon to recognize the endless gifts of each moment and the ever-expanding goodness and beauty of God's grace. Before the forest floor greens over with ginseng and redroot foliage, and the raspberries are just beginning to show, there are lots of little unknowns sprouting up under wintered leaves to explore for, uncover, delight in, and get to know. Miss Alice will join us in taking good grounding from the earth, delighting in this great patch of sunlight she has found. She's refreshed and renewed by all of last year's fading glories as she explores and rolls off her clean scent all around. One can't help but notice the extraordinary beauty of the deformed tree stump which had turned inward when it was still growing, and wonder for how long she was the mystic muse of the forest before her withered limbs from old age had begun showing. I saw how the character of the old pillar had left her mark on this land and invisibly upon the sky. To this day, She is still surrounded by ever-evolving beauty, ever-present everywhere, including the spirit orbs who hang out amidst rambling new growth and bramble. She exists now without a longing or even a care. Let the beauty of this woodland walk with me enlighten your heart, your soul, and your mind, show you the magic and mystery of every amazing living thing that you could possibly imagine, search for, and find. So treat yourself to the diversity of great and wondrous riches that you can find in every moment of this time and place. Dip your toes into the ever-evolving and devolving pools of fluid beauty. Feel the power in your soul of Mother Nature's ever-engaging, warm embrace. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this little walk through the woods with me.